In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AWS S3. So, let's get started with a simple but powerful tool that forms the backbone of cloud storage for many applications and businesses today. First, open your preferred web browser and in the address bar, type AWS to get to the main page of Amazon Web Services. Once there, you'll want to log in to access the full suite of services AWS offers. Make sure that you have your credentials on hand as you'll need them for this step. After successfully logging in, it's time to navigate to the S3 service. AWS S3, or Simple Storage Service, is where we will be focusing our attention today. You'll find it listed among the many services provided by AWS. Once you've located it, simply click on it, and then look for the option to Create Bucket. This is where our journey with cloud storage begins. Now, you'll need to provide a globally unique name for your bucket. This is crucial because every bucket name across the entire AWS environment must be unique, so feel free to get creative and specific. You could choose something like My Unique Application Data. Next, decide on the AWS region where your bucket will reside. It's best to choose a region that is geographically close to your users or applications. This ensures lower latency, meaning faster access for anyone interacting with your bucket. Once you've set the region, the next step involves configuring some key settings. These include object ownership and public access. By default, it's recommended to block all public access to avoid unwanted eyes on your data. You'll also have options to enable versioning, which is useful for keeping multiple versions of your objects, and encryption, which adds an essential layer of security. After adjusting these settings to your preference, click on Create Bucket to finalize the setup. With your bucket created, you can begin uploading files, referred to as objects, into it. You can easily do this from within the S3 Management Console. Just select your bucket and then click Upload. It's a straightforward process but crucial for moving your data to the cloud. If you're more technically inclined, or need to automate uploads, you might prefer using the AWS Command Line Interface, CLI, AWS SDKs, or even third-party tools, which can streamline programmatic uploads and management. To keep your data organized, you can create folders within your bucket. This logical arrangement will make finding and managing your data much more manageable as your storage needs grow. Finally, managing access is a critical part of using AWS S3 securely. You can control who can access your objects using a combination of S3 bucket policies, AWS identity and access management policies, S3 access points, or access control lists. Generally, for more granular and secure control, bucket or IAM policies are recommended. And that's a wrap. You've learned how to set up your very own AWS S3 bucket and manage your cloud storage efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy cloud computing.